Let's make some homemade breakfast sausage. And for this recipe, I always use ground turkey, but not paying attention, I picked up ground chicken instead of ground turkey. So today, I'm going to make my homemade breakfast sausage out of ground chicken. I'm sure it's going to be delicious, whether chicken or turkey. My preference is turkey, yours might be chicken. So either way, it's going to be a win-win. And the ingredients you will need are 1 pound of ground turkey or ground chicken, salt, pepper, and I like freshly ground pepper, garlic powder, nutmeg, red pepper flakes, sage, fennel. I like ground fennel, but you can use fennel seeds, thyme, avocado oil, honey. And if you put your oil in a small bowl and then add your honey or maple syrup, it comes out easier. You add all those things to a bowl and then you combine them. Please note, be careful not to over mix. Anytime you're mixing ground meat or poultry, be careful, because if you over mix, it will cause it to be tough. And once everything has been mixed together, then you can form your patties. Now I form my patties using a 2.5-inch ring mold. You don't have to do that. You can make them freehand. And as you can see, I have a sandwich loaf of Kamut sourdough cooling. Once your sausage patties have firmed up, take them out of the freezer and then put them in the container. I like to separate them using parchment paper because they won't stick to the paper, and it makes it easier when I want to grab a couple in the morning to make my sausage along with the rest of my breakfast.